Alright guys.
Hi guys.
We're off to the bowling alley. We're gonna go have a few games over there. What's the bowling alley called?
Spare time.
Spare time. Over at Spare Time.
And we're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna have so much fun. We'll be showing you guys what we're gonna be doing at the bowling alley. So I'm gonna go first after my sister Leah and my mom and my stepdad and my auntie and my sister's auntie. Her don't want me call her auntie my auntie, so we're both twins together. So and that's our auntie right. Eaten. Bye.
So this is the part where I realized bowling just isn't for me. Not to mention I haven't been bowling since I was a little kid. I decided to experiment with my gimbal tonight. As you can see, the footage that was taken by my girlfriend didn't come out as well as it could have due to me not balancing the gimbal properly. I'm still a beginner and these kinds of things take days, weeks, even months to get used to. Putting the gimbal together. That's it. Tiffany won.
Huh?
I think you won, right?
Yeah.
Aaliyah came in second place. We'll get the second place winner.
You and Kylie are tied.
Me and Kylie are tied. I can't bowl. This is the second place winner right here.
Huh?
You almost won. You want some fries, Aaliyah? So my big announcement is we're moving. That's what I wanted to let you guys know. Moving day is Wednesday, so let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to end the vlog there. If you're new here, subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.